Here's my bike check. Start off with the frame. I got the Colony Sweet Tooth frame, which I like a lot. I went with Colony because I like their parts and I like their color. Purple Storm's really nice. I got the Colony official forks. They're really cool. I got the Colony Bloody Oath bars. They were like 29 when I got them, and I cut them down to let's see, I cut them down to 28 1/4, so now they're a little smaller. My frame size is 20.25, a little small, not 20.5. It's the way I like it, like a small frame. I have the Shadow Orbis front rim laced to a profile hubs with plastic legs. If you could see, I got Strike Shadow stem, which is really nice. I have gyro with 2 double cables, which are Shadow double cables going down to E-clat. I got Colony plastic pedals, which I like a lot. Then I got Shadow sprocket with a chrome interlock chain, which I like a lot too. With a king seat, nice and comfortable. Gotta have that. I have whatever you call them. I don't even know what to say they are. Got hub guards on front and back, so I don't mess up my spokes. With I like riding clear brake pads with my chrome rim. It stops a lot better. It squeaks though. It's the only problem. But other than that, my bike's pretty good. I like it a lot. My cranks are Colony. I got the Shadow seat post. It just blew. I liked it and went with it. And took off all my stickers and put on other stickers. Just something dumb. I got the Fit Fat tires. I like those a lot. Folding ones. They're light, but they don't wear down real easy, so you don't have to keep buying them. I just got this bike like before Christmas. It's holding up pretty good. And that's my bike check.